So you've logged into eProduct, now what? Well, eProduct is a product management solution that allows you to manage your roadmap, features, OKRs, launch plans, and much more. So once you log in, you can either import your data, which you can drag and drop files here, or select a file and do some field mapping and import your data from our systems. To get started, click on the sample files and fill it out. You can invite your teams or start by creating new lists where you want to put your features and roadmap items and things like that. To get you started, we showed you a sample workspace. The product has a sample workspace that allows you to organize your structures. So the structure of eProduct is very simple. It is based on folders and lists. So you can create lists of things, including roadmap items, OKRs, or anything in between. And those are real record types or objects that you can manage. We'll talk about that in subsequent tutorials. And you can group things in folders just to make it easy to organize. Now you can import your data or create from templates full launch plans or full roadmap items with columns and scores and things like that. So without further ado, I'm just gonna show you that you can expand and collapse workspaces, create new ones as folders. So let's say we have this workspace, we wanna create a roadmap folder. There you go, and under roadmaps, I'm gonna create a list and we can call it backlog. And this is my backlog list. We can talk about lists and how you build them and how you manage them in subsequent tutorials.